Hi everyone, welcome to Teacher Shirley channel. If this is your first time to come to my channel, or if you have come many times but haven't subscribed my channel yet, remember to click subscribe at the end of the video. Today our title will be about present perfect tense. It's for Part 2, Unit 7, Language Awareness. By the end of the lesson, pupils are able to give the correct spelling for the participle form of the verbs. Fill in the blanks correctly using past participle form. Form questions using participle form. Okay, so when do we use present perfect tense? We use present perfect tense to express things we have done, but without mentioning the time. The time is not given. She has never studied Japanese. To express number of times you have done something, how many times have you tried to call her? To describe recently completed actions which are important now, I have some bad news. I've lost my job. To express situations that started in the past and are still true now, an action that has started in the past and is still continuing until now. I've known them for 4 to 5 years. To describe unfinished actions or situations, I have read half of the book. To express present result, John has missed the bus, so he will be late. Okay, so these are some of the irregular verbs of the participle form that you need to memorize. Okay, for example, be, was, were, participle will be been, beat, beaten, become, begin, begun, come, cause, cut, did, duck, do, done, draw, drawn, drive, driven, drink, drunk, eat, eaten, fall, fallen, fail, felt, fight, fought, find, found, fly, flown, forget, forgotten, forgive, forgiven, freeze, frozen, give, given, go, gone, grow, grown, hang, hung, have, had, hear, heard, hide, hidden, heed, hid, hold, held, hurt, hurt, keep, kept, know, known, lay, let, lead, let, leave, left, land, lent, lie, lent, lose, lost, make, make, write, readen, ring, run, rise, reason, run, run, say, said, see, seen, sell, sold, sing, sung, sit, sat, sleep, slept, speak, spoken, span, spent, stand, stood, swim, swam, tag, tagged, teach, taught, hear, taunt, wake, walked, wear, want, win, want, write, written. So these are some of the common irregular verbs, and remember to memorize them. Okay, so how do we form present perfect tense? We form present perfect tense. Okay, as, for example, for singular subject, we need to put as, and then we use either have or has plus participle. For example, I have tried sushi. She has tried sushi. Okay, in the negative form, as plus have not become haven't, the short form. Has not, the short form hasn't, plus past participle. I have not tried sushi. How about the question form? Okay, for the question form, we put the verb in the front, subject in the middle, and past participle at the end. Okay, have you tried sushi? Okay, so you can replace the subject here I with other subjects. Okay, so these are some common examples of the positive, negative, and question form. Okay, I have seen, I have not seen, I haven't seen, have I seen. You have seen, you have not seen, you haven't seen, have you seen. He has seen, he has not seen, he hasn't seen, has he seen. She has seen, she has not seen, she hasn't seen, has she seen. It has seen, it has not seen, it hasn't seen, has it seen. We have seen, we have not seen, we haven't seen, have we seen. You have seen, you have not seen, you haven't seen, have you seen. They have seen, they have not seen, they haven't seen, have they seen. Okay, so these are the 3 types of present perfect tense, 3 forms of present perfect tense that you need to learn for the Form 2. Okay, now exercise 1 is for exercise 2, page 76. Okay, change the words into the correct participle form. Okay, number 1, go. Go when? Gone. Very good. Okay, next one, make. 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 Good. Okay, see, saw, seen. Very good. Do, did, done. Very good. Laugh, laugh, loud. Come, came, come. Give, gave, given. Want, wanted, wanted. Think, thought, thought. Okay, so these are the answers for exercise 2 on page 76. Okay, now we look at exercise 3 and 4 for page 76. Okay, read the sentences about Andrew Miller and choose the correct ones. His parents allowed him to go to Britain. Okay, so his parents, this is a plural subject. So plural subject, his parents have allowed him to go to Britain. Okay, number 2, he has tried English food. He has. Okay, number 3, he hasn't saw a football match. He hasn't seen a football match. Number 4, he isn't cold. He hasn't called. He hasn't called his parents in the USA. His family are sad because they have missed him. His family are sad because they have missed him. Okay, complete the sentences with gone or been. Okay, let's look at the question. Fiona isn't here. She's gone for a walk. I haven't been to Paris, but I would love to go. We have been in a hot air balloon. It was great. Scott hasn't gone to school yet. He's still here. Okay, so these are the answers for exercise 3 and 4 on page 76. Okay, now we look at exercise 3 on page 79. Write questions using the present perfect and ever. Okay, see. So first, let's find out what is the participle form for see. See, so seen. Okay, so now we need to form questions. Remember the rule for forming questions. The has or had is in the front, followed by subject, followed by participle form. So answer for number 1. Have you ever seen the film Cars? Okay, number 2. Have you ever ridden? Have you ever ridden a motorbike? Okay, number 3. Stay. Have you ever stayed in a hotel. Okay, eat. Eat and eaten. Have you ever eaten fast food? And climb. Participle for climb. Climb, climb, climb. Have you ever climbed a mountain? Okay, so that's the end of my lesson today. Okay, so we'll see you again in my next lesson. Remember to subscribe my channel for more videos on English lesson. Pause to. Bye.